Hi guys! Welcome to my little channel. This time, I'm sharing my summer adventure in Hokkaido. It's a bus tour with lots of pretty views and chill vibes. In winter, Hokkaido's all white and quiet. But in summer, it's full of colors and just so pretty. You've gotta see it! I got to meet lots of people from my hometown too. I kind of forgot how many ice creams I had. Delicious lunch, then a stroll through souvenir shops. It was such a chill, happy day. The air smelled like lavender and all kinds of lovely things. It was the perfect walk. I could eat as many as I want. If you liked this video, feel free to give it like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next one. So let's go! The tour starts near the Sapporo TV tower. This tour was such a great deal, only 4,303 pesos, and it included lunch and entrance fees. Hop on the bus, let's get this adventure started. We headed out around 8:30 this morning. Our first stop is the Shirogane Blue Pond, and it takes about 2.5 hours to get there. We're passing through the town now. We're cruising along the highway now. It's been an hour. Time for a bathroom break.
Ayan guys, bigyan tayo para mag-CR ng ating bus. Kaya lang, 12 minutes lang.
Whoa, the scenery's totally changed, right? Nature mode on. Over the mountains and through the tunnels, we're really on the move now. After a 3-hour journey, we finally arrived. Okay, my butt officially hurts. 3 hours is no joke. Believe it or not, this pond wasn't even planned. It was created after a volcanic eruption in 1988, when water started gathering behind a dam built to stop mud flows. And now, it's this dreamy blue wonderland. In 2012, Apple picked a photo of this pond as one of the official wallpapers for OS X Mountain Lion. And just like that, this little blue wonder became famous all around the world. Okay, wait. See that line over there? They've got blue pond pudding, soda, even jelly you drink with a straw. And the souvenirs? So cute! Okay guys, almost there. So here's the science-why part. The water flowing down from Shirogane Onsen and the waterfall up there? It's got these tiny white particles, aluminum hydroxide and stuff. When they mix with the river water, they form something called colloids. And when sunlight hits those, boom! You get this surreal, dreamy blue.
Ang ganda, blue na blue. Wow! Daming tao.
Look at this crowd! We only had about 30 minutes here. It felt a little too short, but I'm grateful we got to be here. Just about 20 minutes to our next stop. We've just arrived at Shikisai no Oka. It's like stepping into a rainbow-colored dream. There are flower fields as far as the eye can see, and even alpacas. Let's explore every corner of this magical hill. The sun was blazing, so we grabbed tickets for the tractor bus. It's a mini trip, just about 20 minutes. Let's go! Shikisai no Oka is in Biei, Hokkaido. On the gentle hilltop lies a patchwork of blossoms. So sweet and magical, it feels like stepping into a picture book. Here is a scenic spot in full bloom, from spring through autumn, showcasing a dazzling array of colorful flowers. Tulips, lavender, sunflowers. With each season, the hill gently changes its colors, greeting you with a new, tender hue every time. In winter, Shikisai no Oka transforms into a snowy wonderland. So yeah, they've got snowmobiles, and snow rafting, and stuff. This view is seriously so cute. I can't get over it.
Picture daw, guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Yan. Dito lang, masaya na ako.
It's honestly so wide. With 15 whole hectares, the flowers spread out like a soft patchwork over the hills. It's honestly like a dreamy ocean of colors. Aw, our little trip's almost over. Can't believe how fast it went. Just arrived. I got close to someone from back home during the tractor tour. And now, it's already time to part ways. I'll miss them.
See you in my vlog. Hi, thank you. Bye-bye. Ah, la la. 12:50. Ang aking. Hindi na tayo makakain ng ice cream na lavender. Guys, ang ganda dito. Sa Hokkaido. Sapporo, Japan. Ang ganda. Akala ko, nakikita ko lang sa picture. Ngayon silang malapitan. Wow, ang ganda talaga. Sa kayo.
Waiting for the ice cream shop to open. So it's selfie time. Yay! Finally got my lavender ice cream. It's so pastel and pretty I can't. The lavender scent and flavor. It's just everything. So calming, so dreamy. Wait! No! I'm gonna miss my bus. Buys lavender ice cream.
No eating ice cream.
emotional damage. Lavender in one hand, panic in the other. Gotta hurry before the bus leaves me behind.
Guys, dito naman kami magla-lunch.
It's about a 7-minute ride from Shikisai Nooka. A super cuddly bear is there to welcome you. Furano. Nestled in Furano, Furano is a healing spot wrapped in a soft, soothing scent of lavender, pure bliss. Just popped in for lunch today, but come early summer, it's all lavender magic. Can you imagine the scent? It was a buffet-style lunch, and honestly, way too many dishes to conquer. Made with fresh local milk, Hokkaido's ice cream is pure bliss in every bite. I wonder how many I ended up eating on this trip. This souvenir shop has so many lavender-themed goodies. Found a lavender skincare series made with local blooms, exclusive to this spot. So special. Just 20 more minutes till we reach the next dreamy spot. Back in 1976, a photo of Farm Tomita's lavender fields was featured in a national railway calendar, and just like that, it bloomed into fame across Japan. One magical moment turned into a forever memory. The photo showed a dreamy lavender field, with the Tokachi mountain range in the background, like a perfect snapshot of summer in Hokkaido. Totally magical. Lavender farming was already a thing there, but 1976? Total game changer. That's when Farm Tomita started getting real attention as a must-visit spot. Today, the fields bloom wide and free, with soft lavender winds and sweet scoops of ice cream. It's become a beloved retreat, where summer dreams gather from across the world. The flower fields stretch across 15 hectares, with lavender and seasonal blooms scattered like patches of color. It's like walking through a living quilt of summer dreams. With every season, the flowers change. June tiptoes in with early blooming lavender, fluffy lupins. By July, lavender is in full bloom. It's scent everywhere. Poppies and kamatsu join the party. August brings lavender with its deeper purple hues, paired with airy ageratums and showy dahlias. September, as the air turns crisp, salvias, marigolds, and coxcombs take the stage. Ever wondered how lavender oil is made? At the Perfume Workshop and Distillery, you can peek behind the scenes and watch the magic happen, petals to perfume, drop by drop. If you're obsessed with lavender, there's a whole lineup of goodies to take home. Potpourri, handmade soaps, and dreamy aroma oils. But the real treat? Lavender-flavored soft serve. Just a hint of floral sweetness, and when you eat it while gazing at the flower fields, it honestly feels like you're tasting the scent itself. Time flies when you're having fun. Like, blink and it's already over. From here, it's about a 2.5-hour bus ride back to Sapporo. It was a little 10-hour trip, from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Summer in Hokkaido? Totally soaked it in. See you in the next video. Can't wait to share more little adventures with you.